Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can start making money from today. You heard me right. Yes, so guys, I have a giveaway at the end of today's video, so make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. So let's get right into today's business. Do you know that you can do drop servicing? Yes, I'm sure you've not heard of drop servicing. Drop servicing is actually similar to drop shipping, but instead of selling products, you will act as a middleman or intermediary between clients and freelancers by outsourcing service-based tasks like graphic design, digital marketing, writing, programming, and earning a profit margin on each project. For you to start drop servicing, you need to identify in-demand services or skills and create a service offering tailored to markets or even industries. You can build a network of reliable freelancers or service providers through freelancing platforms, social media, or professional networks, and help in sourcing talent for client projects. Another way to make money online today, in today's digital world, is by selling online courses. Guys, selling online courses lets you share your knowledge, your expertise, your skills with a global audience and monetize your expertise. To create and sell courses, you have to choose a topic or subject area in which you have experience, or develop a comprehensive course curriculum. There are lots of platforms that can help you make that happen. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare. They provide tools and resources for creating online courses, and they make it easy for you to reach potential students worldwide. Another thing is for you to participate in online market research. That's another way to make money. Yes, so you get paid. And tell you, I've done an online market research and I was paid $600 for the market research. Yeah, you just answer questions online and that's it. That's on period. So guys, participating in online market research offers you the chance to share your opinions, feedback, or insights on products, services, or brands and earn rewards in return. To participate in online market research studies, you can sign up for survey panels, focus groups, even online communities. Yes, and you can do that on market research companies or even survey platforms. What you need to do is this: complete surveys. Yes, you participate in focus groups or testing products or even prototypes. These are common types of market research activities that you may be invited to participate in. Now, another way is to engage in online market research, because this will allow you to influence product development, marketing strategies, or even business decisions. While you are earning rewards, you are earning money. Yes, they pay you through your PayPal. Yes, and you can maximize your online earnings with each of these money-making ideas. Yes, so that are provided in mind. And the best way to maximize your online earnings requires more than just offering your products or services. You should be able to market yourself effectively to reach your target audience and drive conversations. Once you have determined which online money-making ideas are best for you, you can begin to improve your personal brand using these strategies. The first one on my list is SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. They drive organic traffic to your website or your online platform. By optimizing your web content for relevant keywords, improving website structure and navigation, and building quality backlinks, you can improve your search rankings and attract more visitors. Also note that you have to stay updated on SEO best practices and regularly audit and optimize your website for better visibility and performance. When you're optimizing content for search engines, focus on creating high quality relevant content that addresses your audience's unique needs and interests. Use descriptive and compelling titles and meta tags to improve your click-through rates and search results, and ensure that your website is mobile friendly and it loads up quickly for a better user experience. Social marketing. Yeah, social media marketing is another way to make money. Social media platforms offer powerful tools for promoting your online ventures, building brand awareness, connecting with your audience. Create engaging content like images, video posts, and encourage interaction and sharing. Utilize social media advertising, influencer partnerships, and community engagement to expand your reach and drive traffic to your website or online store. Engage with your followers on social media by responding to comments, messages, and mentions. Also, encourage user-generated content, UGCs, like reviews, testimonials, and user submissions to foster community engagement and, of course, social proof. Another thing is email marketing. Yes, do you know that with an email list, you can build relationships with subscribers, promote your products and services, and drive sales and conversions? You can offer incentives like lead magnets, discounts, or exclusive content to encourage signups and grow your email list. And then you can segment your list based on subscriber preferences, interests, and behavior to deliver personalized email campaigns. And you can also use email automation to streamline workflows and nurture leads through the sales funnel. Here are some tips that you need to remember. Before you set out to start earning money online, keep these basic tips in mind. Please watch out for scams. Whichever method you choose for earning money online, it's always important to do your due diligence first. Please make sure that you research to make sure that the opportunity is legitimate and it is not a scam. In fact, 100% of the time when I get email from brands for partnerships and collaborations, I research if they are legit, if the email is genuine. If it is not, I decline immediately, or sometimes I block them. Please do your due diligence by researching all of these websites to make sure that the opportunity is legitimate. If possible, like I said, read reviews. Do some research before pursuing an online money-making opportunity. Then market yourself. Market yourself. It is important to stand out from the crowd when you're attempting to make money online. For example, if you're a freelance graphic designer, you might use MailChimp to create a website that showcases your design portfolio and provides contact information so that potential clients can reach out to you. Next thing is to pursue your interests. When you're choosing a way to earn money online, choose something that you enjoy doing. Being passionate about your work can make a more lucrative business and a better experience on your own end. Yes, you also need to diversify your sources of income. So explore multiple avenues like freelancing, selling products or services, affiliate marketing, online tutoring, or participating in surveys. Having multiple streams of income provides stability and increases your overall earnings. Please research and choose reliable platforms. Research different online platforms and marketplaces to find reputable and trustworthy opportunities. Look for platforms with positive reviews, clear payment policies, and of course a supportive community. Please invest in learning and skill development. Invest in learning new skills or even improving existing skills that you have in order to stay competitive. Take advantage of online courses, tutorials, and resources available on various platforms to enhance your skill set and increase your earning potential. Don't forget to network and collaborate. Network with other professionals, freelancers, and potential clients or customers in your industry. Join online communities, forums, or social media groups that are related to your niche to connect with similar individuals, share knowledge, and discover new opportunities for collaboration or referrals. You can start making money from today. While you may think that making online is just a pipe dream, it is not though. There are plenty of ways that you can make money online with a side hustle. There are thousands of people that do it every day, and you can do it too. But don't forget, in order to make money online, you need to establish an online presence and do well to continuously market yourself. And that is it, guys, for today. Here is the giveaway part. Yes, we have finally launched our Telegram community. All you need to do is add 50 of your friends, your enemies, your besties, your church members, your mosque members, your choir members. Add them to my Telegram community, and then come back to this video and let me know how many people you have successfully added into my Telegram community, and you're on your way to getting $100 cash gift from me. Yes, I can send it to you or send it through Cash App or PayPal, or I can send you through Venmo or even Western Union, depending on any. I'm gonna send it to you anywhere you are in the world. Yes, so you see, this is also another way to make money by watching my own videos. And yes, if you're interested in my affiliate marketing offer, send me an email and I'm gonna share with you. You can make a $170 per referral. And yes, let's do this deal. So guys, that is it for today. If you have any question, let me know. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. And thank you to all of my Patreon members. You guys, thank you for all that you do. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And yes, if you'd like to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description and the comments. When you join my Patreon community, you can get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. And that is it for today, guys. Making money is easier than you think. And I hope this video has blessed you. Do not forget to like this video, share, and tell a friend about these amazing opportunities. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. Make sure that you check out my previous videos. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys, and bye for now. God bless you.
Mariam A.